Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Albai. I make lifestyle type of content and things of that sort. So today's video, as you can see from the title, I am just giving a list of like things you can do to get in the mood for fall, things you can do during fall, and things you can just like to get the best experience for fall. If you're not a girl, if you're not a fall girly, this list is what you need to get you into being a fall girly, because what you're doing. Okay, I have a list in my little handy dandy book, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just read off what I have on here really and stuff like that. It's quite the list, okay? It's quite the list. Let me see. Here's the list. It's a long list. It's pretty long. So first thing I have on the list is decorate for fall. I mean, duh. Stop biting my feet. If anybody has a cat and knows how I can make this cat stop biting my feet, please let me know, because this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I have no peace. Anyway, yeah, first thing I have is decorate for fall. I mean, duh. Like, and it can be cheap too to decorate for fall. You can go to the thrift store to get your stuff. You can go to the dollar stores to get your stuff, because people know, like the stores know fall is a thing and people are serious about it, so they have the stuff. Like even if you go to a Dollar Tree, you're gonna find fall stuff. You're gonna find fall things, so things to decorate for fall. Anyway, I have that. You could have yeah, so this is like a bucket list, obviously. So you have pajama party. I did have a pajama party, like I think it was like 2 years ago, and last year I was gonna do it, but circumstances I didn't end up doing it. But I know for a fact I do want to do it again this year. Like I want to make it into a yearly thing where I do like a pajama party slash welcoming fall party, because I like hosting. I don't do it much, but I like hosting because I like being around people. But then yeah. And then we have apple picking. Like I went pumpkin picking, and that was so much fun. And that's another thing in here, pumpkin picking. That's literally the third one. So you could go apple picking or pumpkin picking or both. And then like I just bought like tiny little pumpkins, and then I just use them for like decor, or some people use the pumpkins like for baking and stuff like that Or you could do, when you pick up when you pick the apples, you could do apple pie. Just bake with the stuff that you get, or decorate with it, I don't know. And then what's your favorite fall themed movie or show? My favorites are things like Hocus Pocus, things like what's that one, Halloween Town, Twitches, if you know the twin girls. I love Tia and Tamara, so I watch everything with them. The Twitches, and of course I watch Charmed. Anybody has watched Charmed? I feel like people don't say that a lot. Gilmore Girls. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't finished that show. I think I started this one time and I never finished it, but I'm gonna try this season just to see what's the hype about. Like, come on. And then there's some bunch of stuff. Like if you look on Pinterest, like fall themed movies or show, it's gonna give you like a whole list. I literally found one myself, but I'm not gonna read that whole thing to you guys right now. And then you could try fall drinks. There's some bunch of fall drinks besides apple cider that you can try. I've seen people come up with some really nice drinks. I've tried making some myself, and I might make some recipes on here for you guys to try, of course. And then bake fall cookies. I'm literally baking cookies right now. I'm baking cookies as we speak, okay? I'm baking some. Bake fall cookies. Have a fall photo shoot. I had a fall photo shoot and it came out so cute. Again, I love fall because of the colors. I love fall because of the colors, because of the way it feels outside. So when I took those photos, it was like we had obviously like fall themed colors, like, you know, the orange, the burnt, the browns, and the photos came out so good. So you should try that, like even with friends, like, you know what I mean. And then have a baking competition. I definitely want to do this. Like, I want to tell my friends to just bake stuff and bring them, like, and then at the pajama party, and then we can all just see who's the winner. Duh. I'm definitely gonna do that. I haven't done that myself, but I definitely will be doing that this year. Make a fall mood board. I already have that. I definitely will be putting that soon. I found like a few pictures that I like. And then paint pumpkins. I've seen this last year and I thought it was so cute. I never got to do it, but I definitely will be doing that with my friends. Even like, imagine doing it with your friends. That'll probably be so much fun. But yeah, make fall decorate pumpkins, whatever, paint pumpkins, and then make fall baskets with friends. Like, so you make a fall basket for your friends. Basically, like, it would just consist of everything fall. Like, that's such a good idea. That sounds so nice. Like, what? A basket with fall things? Yes, please. Go to the farmers market. I want to go to the farmers market. We went to like a farmers market last year and it was so much fun, and I want to go. It's like, for me, it's the food, okay? Everything else I don't care about. It's the food. It's the food. Watch fall movies, scary movies, duh, I said that. But have a bonfire. I want to rent a cabin. Next thing is rent a cabin. Go to a cabin. I want to like rent a cabin and go somewhere where it's like really like deep in there in the woods, and just have like a fall cabin situation and have a bonfire and stuff like that. And then autumn in New York. I heard somebody say autumn in New York, and then I searched it on like Pinterest and stuff like that, and oh my god, it looks so nice. I was like, yeah, that's something I'm gonna look into. I've wanted to make a trip to New York anyway recently, so I was like, I'm just gonna delay it a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna go like in September or October, like probably even in October or like towards the end of September. I'll go to New York, inshallah. We'll see. And then have apple cider and donuts, of course. And if you can go to like a farmer's market, or like when you go to like pumpkin picking, those places usually have some. Get them from there. They be fresh, they be so good, way better than if you try to go to like a store and buy some. So just have them somewhere where they make them fresh. That's when they taste the best. Go on a walk / a hike. Once the trees have fully changed color, oh my god, walking in fall is my favorite thing ever. Literally, that's what made me fall in love with fall. It's how it feels to walk and look at the tree and just look at the creation and look at how nice everything look, like the trees, the colors, and the way the wind just hit you while you're walking. Because you know you get hot and then it's just chilly. Oh, it's the best feeling ever. So if you can, even if it's not a hike, just go on a walk. Find a park that has trees and then just walk and see. Oh my god. Make soups. Make soups. I've seen people making soups, and I want to make some bunch of soups, some bunch of like fall themed soups. I just think that it just gives off cozy and warm. I don't know, like, what? It just gives off cozy. Go to a coffee shop. Obviously they have like, you might find like coffee shop that are just the perfect coffee shop in a rainy day, and it's like, if outside is like, just go to coffee shops and thank me later. Read fall / scary book. Read fall books / scary books. Literally my books are right here because I was just doing a video on scary books. But look at these books. Are these just not meant for like the fall season? Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. It's giving fall. It's giving fall. Okay, but yeah, have fall, read fall books / scary books. Yeah, and then take pictures with fall leaves. I definitely want to take pictures with, I want to do like photos, obviously fall themed photos, period. You can make fall crafts. I've seen so many people make some things like that are just like fall themed and stuff like that. I think these are things that you can do when you're having like a party. It's just fun stuff you can do with your friends. Have a Friendsgiving that is, you've seen them. I know you've seen them. Friendsgiving are everywhere now. That's something that's such nice to do. Go to a thrift store and go like thrift some sweaters and books. I just made a video on that, on like thrifting books and sweaters. Sweaters cost too much money, but they're so good for this weather, for like fall. So go to the thrift store and thank me later. You're gonna find the best things ever. This is not from the thrift store, but I got one just like it from the thrift store, but better. Don't play with the thrift store. Also books too. Books are expensive, and if you go to a thrift store, when I went to a thrift store, I literally got this for $1, and this book was mad good. Like, it was so good, and it was like $1. So go to a thrift store. And then go to a fall festival. Like, a fall festival is where you can find like donuts and the apple ciders and stuff like that I was talking about. Like anything fall, or everything fall themed, anything Halloween themed, you will go find it there. Just go there and thank me later. And then host a fall brunch. I was like, whoever come up with that idea, bam 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 bam, I definitely will be doing that. A brunch, fall themed. Yes, let's eat some donuts. Create a fall wardrobe. I've been trying to create a fall wardrobe. It's very hard for a modest girl to like coordinate some stuff sometimes, and I'm trying to do that. And if I find some cute outfits that I like, I will post them probably on a short or something as outfit of the day, just so you guys can see them and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. That's all part of the list, and I hope you guys enjoy that video. At least write these things down. When you're bored, you can just go ahead and look at the list and be like, oh, I can do this today, and you have something to do. But yeah, I hope you guys like that list. I hope you guys like that video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what number we are by the time this video come out, but support your girl. Make sure you're liking and comment. Comment. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see this fall, what kind of content you want to see from me, period, and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.